What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to the Dan Drives YouTube channel, and in today's video this is going to be episode 3 of our Monza drag car project. Previous video, as you guys saw, we completely disassembled this car. We did 90% of the sanding on it and all the body work. Huge shout out to my grandpa for that. He's been just an absolute animal out here in the garage getting this stuff done. I'm super excited about the progress that we've been making on the Monza. What we're going to be doing is pressure washing the whole inside and outside of this car, get all the dust off from sanding. We have some chassis paint that we're going to go ahead and start painting as far as redoing the roll bars. There's some rust spots. I can actually kind of show you guys in here where on the driver's side, just getting in and out, that's kind of rubbed off a bit. So we have some new chassis paint for that, and really we'll be finishing up all the body work in this video, and then by the end of this video we should have the car completely primed. If you are excited about this car, and if you guys haven't seen the previous videos, please go to the channel, watch those videos first so that you guys can kind of get caught up. We're getting a lot done in a short amount of time, so definitely subscribe to the channel, turn on post notifications so you don't miss out on any future content. And that's pretty much the gist of what we're doing. Let's get to work. What's up guys, just want to pause the video real quick and give you guys an update on all the progress that we've been making in this video. As you guys saw, the back hatch in previous video when I was taking the Lexan out, it was previously cracked because it's super flimsy. It's really lightweight fiberglass, and the only thing really holding it together was the Lexan. So my grandpa went ahead and reinforced it with a new metal plate back here, all riveted in, and then he threw some fiberglass resin on it. So it's all hardened up now with that solid metal plate going down on both sides, and put some Bondo on it, so now you don't even see where the crack was previously. And once we, smooth this out a little bit more and prime over it, it's gonna look brand new, and it's definitely less flimsy. If you guys can see, it's not flexing in the center anymore, so that'll be way less of a headache. We don't have to worry about this thing breaking when we take it off of the car. Now another thing we did, guys, that you just saw is we actually shortened our steering shaft. So we pulled it out and cut about 1 3/4 inches off so that the steering wheel would back up just about 1 3/4 inches. So that way I don't have to have my elbows hitting the roll cage while I'm trying to steer it from up here. It's backed up a little bit more now, so that'll be way more accessible. We are gonna go ahead and order a new steering wheel in, just because as you guys see here, this one's pretty old, beat up. It's got some rust spots on it, it's got some wear, and either way, a new one will look fresh, and it'll just kind of complete everything, because we are gonna be painting the chassis again, repaint all these spots that are rusted, so this will all look brand new. I really like the idea of carpeting, so I think we're gonna go and just do some black carpet all throughout the car here. The previous owner used a lot of duct tape, and we're gonna stay away from the duct tape, but up on the dash too, because it's shiny, just that sheet metal, we're gonna carpet this up here. So one, it'll look really nice, and then two, we don't have to worry about any sun glare affecting us seeing the tree and getting good reaction times. And then another thing with the carpet is like little holes like around our drive shaft tunnel here, that we'll get smoke up through whenever we do the burnout. Having carpet all throughout here is going to really help seal up any little extra holes with all the sheet metal, so whenever we do the burnout, we won't have to worry about smoke getting in the cabin and affecting our vision also. So now another huge improvement, which you guys have just seen in the last few clips, is on the hood, the front of the hood where the Zeus fittings actually broke off right on the corners. Grandpa went ahead and riveted in some new metal plates and put fiberglass resin all over this and sanded it smooth, so now you won't be able to tell. This is gonna look brand new once it gets cleaned up just a little bit more. Still needs to do the sanding on this side, but you're gonna feel across this and it's gonna feel like a brand new hood. It's gonna have the hole punched through it for the new Zeus fittings. We have all new Zeus fittings for it, so it should just look really crisp, and I mean, it's gonna come together and look amazing when it's done. And I am talking right now with one of my good buddies. He actually helped out doing the stripes on Little Red the Corvette a couple years ago. Runs his own wrap business. He's local to me, and we are gonna be coming up with a sick color scheme for this car, and once we get that on there, I will do a name reveal also. I know what we're going with, and I have a name for this car, but we're gonna reveal that in a future video. So if you guys are interested and excited for all the progress we're making and want to follow along, please leave a like on this video, subscribe to the channel so you guys don't miss out on the future content, because we have a lot going on in a short amount of time, and this car is gonna be on the racetrack before we know it. So with all that being said, let's get right back to work. been episode 3 of our 77 Monza drag car project here. Hope you guys did enjoy it. Now I actually have somebody coming tomorrow who is going to be playing a huge part in the future of what this car looks like, and you guys will see that in the very next video. We're gonna get this car looking absolutely gorgeous, so we'll just leave it at that for now. We already sent all the windows over to my grandpa's buddy that he used to drag race with, and he already has them all cut for us, so we already have the holes drilled and everything. They're just ready to slap on once we get it to that point. So next video, you guys should see a full makeover of this car. So if you guys are excited, please be sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel so you guys don't miss out, and make sure you guys turn on post notifications. That's the easiest way to get notified for any future content coming out, so you guys do not miss it. It might not pop up in your algorithms through YouTube, but if you guys turn on post notifications, you guys will not miss out on the future content. Be sure to follow Dan Drives on the Instagram account right here at Dan Drives YT, and then go to the Facebook page. I have an official Facebook page, Dan Drives YouTube, and I always post behind the scenes, and I'll always post whenever I upload a new video to YouTube as well. So with all that being said, guys, I really appreciate all the support on the videos and the channel, and hopefully we can get this bad boy out racing very soon. We will be at this rate that we're pushing right now, so super excited about that. Hopefully you guys are too. So with all that being said, thanks again for watching and supporting the channel. This has been Dan. I'll see you guys in the next video.